project was developed in the context of the relatively high culling rate in Quebec and Canada, and the fact that the Canadian Dairy Network is looking to carry out genetic evaluations for health traits, and our idea was to be able to put together production and health data to have a synergy for combining these data and to make use of these for management purposes for producers. There were two main objectives: a scientific objective to look at longevity, both for genetic and epidemiology analyses. There was also a very practical, applied objective to the project to make use of the production and health data to look at lifetime profitability of cows and to see whether we could present this in a visual manner so that producers could compare cows, benchmark their herd against comparable herds, etc.
Herd managers are challenged with multiple problems, and in order to make decisions they must have information presented in a simple and complete way. So this tool was designed in a way that presents information regarding profit and profitability in a visual, simple manner. In this case, for an individual animal, we prepared the lifetime profit accumulated by day of life, and also we show different aspects that affect this profit. For instance, the multiple breeding services and health issues that have an effect. So this way the herd manager can observe the current profit, but also have an idea how these aspects have had an effect on the results or the performance of the animal. This tool was based on the principle or the concept that one picture is worth 1,000 words. So based on that, we designed different, actually more than 60 reports, graphs that are easy to display and visualize by the user according to the specific needs or the specific problem, whether at herd level or at the individual cow level.
The benefits of this such a tool or prototype that we've developed is to allow a producer to compare one cow versus another within his or her own herd, and to allow a producer to compare his or her herd against comparable herds, for example the same breed or region or management system, to allow a producer to compare the performance of his cows this year versus as compared to last year, to see is he or she making an improvement in the management over time. This was a prototype where we were developing the concepts to see whether there was useful ideas from this. The next things are that we would probably need to test this prototype with 10 or 12 farmers collaborating for a year or 18 months to get feedback from them. And we would then consider having the software, the ideas, professionally programmed as a tool that could be used by advisors, veterinarians, producers as a management aid.